Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to your mat. It's so good to have you here today. Let's start with a simple truth. Our bodies tell stories. Each ache, each twinge, each moment of stiffness. You might feel it in your knees when you climb the stairs, or perhaps from your hips when you stand up. But what if I told you there's another way? What if we could gently rewrite that story of discomfort? Finding relief doesn't always require intense workouts. The most profound changes often come from the smallest, most mindful movements. This is where yoga, an ancient practice, becomes our friend. Think of your joints like door hinges. Gentle movement encourages the production of synovial fluid, which is like the body's natural joint oil, helping your bones glide smoothly. Yoga also works on our connective tissues. Sustained, gentle stretches encourage them to become more pliable and elastic, giving your joints more freedom. Most importantly, the deep conscious breathing in yoga calms your nervous system, telling your muscles it's safe to release their tense grip on your joints. Let's explore two of the simplest, most beneficial poses for joint relief. We'll start with child's pose. From your hands and knees, bring your big toes to touch behind you. You can keep your knees together for a deeper back stretch, or open them wide for more hip space. Listen to your body. On an exhale, slowly send your hips back toward your heels. Let your torso drape forward and down. Let gravity do the work. Finally, allow your forehead to come to rest on the mat. If you feel pressure in your knees, place a rolled blanket in the crease behind them. This creates space and reduces the intensity. If the floor feels far away, rest your forehead on a block or a stacked blanket. Your comfort is the priority. As you inhale, feel your breath expand into your back. As you exhale, feel your body soften and release a little more deeply. Stay here for 5 to 10 long, slow breaths. This is your safe haven. Now, let's explore the cat-cow stretch. Come back to your hands and knees, finding that sturdy tabletop position. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your heart, and send your gaze forward. This is cow pose. Feel the stretch across the front of your body. As you exhale, tuck your tailbone and round your spine toward the ceiling, like a Halloween cat. This is cat pose. Now continue to flow between these two shapes, letting your breath be your guide. Inhale for cow, exhale for cat. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. This is not a race. The benefit comes from moving slowly and mindfully. If you have sensitive wrists, you can come onto your fists. Honoring your body's needs is the most advanced yoga you can do. After about 10 rounds, come back to your neutral tabletop. Pause and just notice how you feel. So how do we bring this feeling into our everyday lives? Let's make a simple promise. A 5-minute promise. Just 5 minutes a day. Anyone can find 5 minutes. This consistency is far more powerful than one long session every few weeks. Create a little anchor for your practice, a dedicated spot that acts as a gentle visual reminder. Remember, your body is not your enemy. It is your oldest friend. The power to feel better resides within you. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. I hope you leave this practice feeling a little lighter and more spacious. From my heart to yours.